Hello friends, welcome to Stock Market Pulse. I am Nitika. Let's check the pulse of the stock market and I'm here with the stock in news. In this short video, I'm going to share the stock name and the corporate action happening in this stock. Along with that, I'll share some important fundamental also for this stock. So to know the news regarding this, stay connected to then and smash the like button and subscribe the channel for regular stock market updates. So the stock name is MCX, means Multi Commodity Exchange of India. This is stock. The MCX stock is going to give the stock split to its shareholder. Company has already in September announced this stock split, this corporate action, and now they have announced the record date, and they are going to split the one share with a face value of rupees 10 each into 5 equity share with a face value of rupees 2. Means you can understand this is the stock ratio. Stock split ratio is 1 is to 5. Your one share will be divided into 5 share. You are going to get 5 share. So means if you are holding 10, you are going to get 50 share. So this is the ratio 1 is to 5. The record date is on 2nd of January. The company has announced the record date on 2nd January of 2026. So that means record date means you have to own this stock to get eligible for the stock split as on 2nd of January. I will explain this that if a shareholder owns 10 share of MCX worth of rupees 100 each, they will own 50. Now they will own 50 share of the company after the stock split, with each share being rupees 20. Means agar you have invested 1000 in MCX with the 10 number of share, your investment amount will be same. That is not going to change, but the number of share will be changed by 50. So one share will be divided into 5 share. Okay, और इन्वेस्टमेंट अमाउंट विल बी द सेम. तो इससे क्या होता है, लाइक लिक्विडिटी बढ़ती है इन द स्टॉक. एज यू ऑल नो द स्टॉक प्राइस इज ऑलरेडी वेरी हाई, and only those shareholders who own the share of the company as on record date will be eligible for the stock split. And you can quickly see the MCX fundamental, that commodity derivative exchange. यहाँ पे commodity का ट्रेडिंग होता है, तो कमोडिटी डेरिवेटिव एक्सचेंज विच ऑफर्स द बेनिफिट ऑफ फेयर प्राइस. और यहाँ पे गोल्ड सिल्वर हर तरह की कमोडिटी का ट्रेड होता है. So this is the important information about the MCX, and you can see the fundamental. The market cap is 51,000 and price you can see 10,000 around. The company is trading, the MCX is trading around 10,000. If we go for more fundamental, you can see stock P is 74.3 x, which is means if we see the industry P, this is 59.6, मतलब कि 60 कह सकते हैं. तो 60 अराउंड द इंडस्ट्री पी है और स्टॉक पी 74 है, विच इज लुकिंग ओवर वैल्यूड ऑल्सो. और इंडस्ट्री प्राइस टू बुक वैल्यू देखें तो वो भी इस कंपनी का थोड़ा सा हाइयर, स्लाइटली हाइयर है. So stock is little looking little bit overvalued, of course. And the ROCs you can see around 43, RO is 34, which is very good. And dividend yield is 0.3, which I find low, below average. And debt to equity of course zero है. और operating profit margin is 62.4, which is good. So overall you can quickly look the fundamental of this stock, which is looking very good. And stock is split के बाद the stock, the MCX will be affordable for retail investor to trade, to invest in this stock. Please like and share this video with the others, with your friends, so that they will be aware before the record date, and subscribe the channel for these kind of stock update and stock market update. Signing off.